I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger dough at home, updated. Start by organizing your ingredients and tools on a clean surface, then proof the yeast in warm water with a pinch of sugar. Measure flour and salt separately, mix wet and dry elements evenly, and knead until the dough is smooth and elastic. Allow the dough to rest and rise until doubled before shaping for perfect burger buns. Begin by pouring the bloomed yeast into the flour mixture and stir until a shaggy dough forms, using a spatula or hand. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and slightly tacky, not sticky. If it feels too dry, add water a teaspoon at a time. If too wet, add flour sparingly until you reach the ideal elasticity. After kneading, place the dough in an oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until doubled in size. Gently deflate the dough, divide it into equal portions, and shape each piece into a smooth bun by folding edges underneath. Allow the shaped buns to proof briefly until slightly puffy, then bake until golden for an even crumb and tender texture that holds up to juicy burgers and toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.